Whenever I enter a room to examine a patient, I like to see the summary and the heading here. But I also like that to be available all the time, even as I scan through the rest of the chart. So in this example, it scans, it moves off the top of the page. If I want to go back and remind myself what the vision was or what their last procedure was, it's gone. So I like to have the header locked, so that the chart will scroll while leaving the header in place. But this is not a setting. You have to lock this every time you open up the chart for any patient, even if you open the same patient's chart again. Which means that oftentimes my staff has to go in and lock this before I come into the room, and not infrequently they either forget or it's somebody new who hasn't been trained to do it. It also doesn't help that it varies from physician to physician whether or not we like to have this locked. So I think it's difficult for them to remember. So what would be nice is if the header lock was a setting, like the theme, dark, light, default encounters, how many you have. If you could also include whether or not to lock the header automatically in here, that would be nice, and would save a lot of trouble and save me the aggravation of having to go over and click on that when the information I need has moved off the screen. So just as an example, if we save and close here, the chart goes down. It was locked before. You open up another chart, same chart actually, and again it's unlocked. I have to lock it again. And save and close. Open the same chart or another chart, again not locked. So this is to some people, minor point, but it is a repeated pain point multiple times per day, every day in clinic for me personally. And I suspect it's also a problem for other physicians who utilize the system a lot.